Welcome to Project Digital Academy. In this lesson, we will learn Copywriting Basics for Beginners. We will learn why it is important to study copywriting in South Africa and why should you consider copywriting as a career path in South Africa. So, if you want to consider copywriting as a career and learn copywriting basics as a beginner, Udemy provides copywriting courses. Click on this link below to learn more about copywriting as a beginner with a certificate upon completion. Before we get into today's lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Why it is important to study copywriting in South Africa. Studying copywriting in South Africa is important for several reasons. South Africa is a diverse country with multiple languages and cultures. Studying copywriting in South Africa allows students to understand the nuance of different target audience and tailor their content accordingly, catering to diverse consumer groups. South Africa's advertising industry is repeatedly growing. With new businesses and startups emerging, studying copywriting equips individuals with necessary skills to meet the demands for effective advertising campaigns. Therefore, it increases the job prospects of job hunters in South Africa. Studying copywriting in South Africa opens numerous job prospects in advertising agency, marketing firms, media houses, and even self-employment opportunities as a freelance copywriter. With the demand for skilled copywriters on the rise, studying the skill can lead to lucrative career opportunities. You don't have to wait for employment opportunities to come to you. You can create your own opportunities. You can offer these services if you want copywriting as a career. You can do content writing, copywriting for advertisements, product descriptions, social media management, editing and proofreading, branding and messaging, ebook writing, script writing, ghostwriting, and much more. Copywriting opens you to creative industry opportunities. Copywriting is a crucial aspect of the creative industry, which includes advertising, marketing, public relations, and much more. South Africa provides various opportunities for creative individuals to thrive and contribute to these industries. If you want copywriting as a career in South Africa, these are creative opportunities you can specialize in. Working in the media industry, promoting and influencing online, content creation, marketing campaigns, blogging and content writing, speech writing, and much more. Another thing is that copywriting is easy and quick to study. Copywriting is easy to study in South Africa due to it being more of a skill than a lengthy university or college qualification. Copywriting requires you to just have access to the internet and enroll online on courses that are offered in institutions like Udemy, where they provide certification after completion. This is how you can find these short courses if you want copywriting as a career. Research and find an accredited online institution like Udemy, for instance. Choose from the variety of courses which one is suitable for you. Enroll. Complete the course and get your certificate. Copywriting does not require a degree or a diploma. Copywriting does not require you to go to a traditional university or college, but just to prove you can write with evidence of having a certificate. Yes, people who studied qualifications such as journalism, marketing and advertising, public relations, and much more do qualify to work as copywriters. But in 2024, aiming at this field requires only a certificate like that you find in online educational institutions like Udemy. Find a certificate that will teach and cover these topics as a beginner copywriter. A career perspective of what copywriting offers. What is copywriting and the goal of copywriting? Where do we see copywriting and copywriting niches? How to write copy. This means that knowing the writing formulas of copywriting, copywriting portfolio and how to compile it, and after studying copywriting, where from there. Lastly, copywriting allows you to have a global reach. South African copywriters are not limited to local markets. They can work with international clients, contributing their unique perspective and creativity to global advertising campaigns. A strong understanding of copywriting principles can ensure success on both local and international platforms. How can you get success at a global reach as a beginner copywriter in South Africa? Develop a strong online presence. Showcase diverse cultural perspectives. Network with international clients and collaborators. Invest in ongoing professional developments. Offer multilingual capabilities. By studying copywriting in South Africa, individuals can gain necessary skills, cultural understanding, and industry knowledge to excel in the vibrant advertising and marketing sector while making a meaningful impact on the local and global markets. In conclusion, copywriting as a career path in South Africa opens you up to opportunities that allows you to take charge of your career. Copywriting is a skill that is in demand both locally and globally. Okay, that's it for today. Please don't forget to click on the course link below to get your copywriting certificate for beginners at Udemy. This course only takes less than 1 hour, so you can click on the link today and get your certificate today. Till next time.